hot flashes during menopause? You're not alone, and today we're exploring a new non-hormonal option that may help: Veozah, also known as Fezolinetant. Veozah is the first FDA-approved non-hormonal treatment specifically developed to reduce moderate to severe vasomotor symptoms, what we often call hot flashes, associated with menopause. Instead of using estrogen, Veozah targets a brain pathway called the neurokinin B, NKB receptor, which plays a role in the brain's temperature regulation. Veozah may be especially helpful for women who can't, or choose not to, use hormone therapy. That includes women with a history of breast cancer, clotting disorders, or simply those looking for a non-estrogen option. The recommended dose is 45 milligrams taken once a day, with or without food. Just one pill taken around the same time daily, preferably in the evening. Always follow your healthcare provider's guidance and let them know about any other medications you're on. In clinical trials, many women experienced a significant drop in the number and intensity of hot flashes within just a few weeks. That means better sleep, more comfort during the day, and a return to feeling more like yourself. As with any medication, side effects can happen. The most common include headache, stomach pain, diarrhea, and trouble sleeping. Veozah is also processed through the liver, so your doctor may do blood tests before and during treatment to monitor liver function. Veozah isn't right for everyone. It's not approved for use in people with severe liver disease, and it's not a fit for those still having menstrual cycles or for pregnant women. Talk with your healthcare provider to see if Veozah could be a good option for your unique symptoms and health history. Menopause is natural, but suffering through hot flashes doesn't have to be. Veozah brings a new, hormone-free option to the table for women looking for relief. I'm Emily Carter, and this is RX Explained. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments, because your health should never be a mystery. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.